How to use the cruise control to turn it on, turn it off, set the speed and everything like that on a 2025 Hyundai Sonata. It's very easy. We're going to come over and control it all from right here. So to get started, when you're driving and you're driving at the speed that you want, if you just hit this button here, boom, it will automatically put it in cruise control and turn it on. So whatever speed you were going when you hit that button, it will now hold that speed. Now this has adaptive cruise control, so it's going to it'll slow you down if there's a car in front of you and stuff like that, and also keep you in the lane. But then if I hit this button again, it'll turn it off. But while this is on, and then if I turn it back on, it's going to set whatever speed I'm at. But if I'm driving along and I just want to pause it, so I want it to remember my speed, but turn it off. So let's say I'm going 60 miles an hour. While it's on, if I just hit this button here, boom, it will turn it off, but it will remember 60 miles an hour. So let's say you turn it off, you slow down to 40. Now I'm ready to get back to 60. If I just hit this again, it will resume my speed. It will take me back to 60 miles an hour. Now, also, once it's on, let's say I'm cruising at 60 and I want to speed up, I can toggle this up, and every time I toggle up, it will toggle me up 1 mile per hour. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will speed me up to 65 and hold me at 65. Same if I'm at 60, I can toggle myself down by toggling down. You see the little minus and plus. It will keep the cruise control on, but it will adjust the speeds, toggling up and down. So that's really all there is to it. That's turning it on, turning it off, pausing it, resuming it, and going up and down. And then this is how we're going to control keep in lane control, and then how distance is going to keep us from the car in front of us. We're going to use this button here. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.